So what goes on here with the wire here is it's going to change the melting point for you. Only by 380 can weld together the materials here. Anything with aluminium, anything with zinc, anything with magnesium. And when it starts to melt for you here on this side, only use one big drop of it. You can do 30 times longer than its own length, the wire itself. So you can see here, take a drop of it, using a regular screwdriver, dragging it out, and at the same time cleaning away the oxide layer. And now the welding wire starts to fuse as it's creating a new alloy for you. In a few moments you will see on this side here small shimmerings, and when you see the shimmerings it tells you that the weld gone through. You see that? That's good, and that's the weld trespassing through the material. That's all what you need. And it doesn't have to be cleaned. You can even do it in dirty casting like Mazak, the monkey metal. And you will see on the back side here now, as it cools down, how the weld has trespassed without distorting the surrounding materials. Notice that. I cool it down with the water. It's very strong, so have a go. I don't mind if you break it.
I think you'll break that. No, will it?
Yeah.
I don't think you will break that.
Yeah, it will break the material, but it will not break the weld, because the weld is stronger than the base material. So you snap off here, you can see the material snaps off, not the weld itself. Another very good thing is, thanks to the low melting point, you can then repair and do things in very thin things like radiators, petrol tanks, wings, panels, air condition pipes, and you don't have to worry about distortion. So one more time here, 380 degrees Celsius, the welding wire melts. Take away the oxide layer with a screwdriver. You can see it spreading here, capillary into the goods. It goes through the material now, the weld. And what I want to show you is, though it's very thin here, that you can remelt the old weldings one more time, and you can using it back as a casting material. So you can repair with old weldings as well. You don't have to use always new wire for everything. And my favorite about screw threads. So easy to make a new one. You drill out the broken thread and plug it over steel and fill up with the melt, and stir so you're going to weld with the material. You don't have to drill and tap it. You'll drop a stainless steel bolt as the molder into the melt bath when it's warm with fluid. When it stiffens, it shrinks back so you can screw out the bolt, and it gives you with a brand new cast thread. No drilling or tapping or helicoil. Did you follow me there?
Yeah.
And on the leaflet here, it's about how to repair a broken lug as well. You can build a mold out of steel and then you fill up in between and then screw it out and take away the mold, and you've got a shape of the new casting there, as you can see on the pictures there.
Yeah.
So instead of being 680, and the wire as is mixed up with aluminium, zinc, magnesium, copper, silver, silicium, you can then weld aluminium, magnesium and zinc with it. And as the melting is very low, it will do all the alloys, but also all the castings in those three materials.
And you would use this as you would use
like a solder.
Like a solder.
Yeah, but it's not soldering.
No.
And you can see here, even bottom welding, how the weld gone through the material. This is dirty, so you've got old material. So you don't have to worry whether it's going to be new, fresh or old stuff. It will do the same thing in all. And it's my last day in the UK, because I don't live here. I come from Sweden, as you probably have noticed. I will double every leg today as an extra offer before I leave the country tomorrow. So I do 1 meter for 30 then, that is a weld. I do 2 meters for 40, 60 meters, and I do 4 meters, 50, more than 100 meters of weld. And that's what the price is normally. Yeah, so you saw the most of it.
Keith would be more interested in this than I, because I used to do a lot of welding. But
£30 this gives you 30 meters weld, about 10. Yeah, you can build up the